We like to think of our solar system as a fortress. The sun is our campfire in the dark forest. Its gravity keeps the planet safe, warm, and in line. We watch the skies for dangers. We track asteroids. We monitor solar flares. We feel safe because we can see the threats coming. But the deadliest things in the universe don't emit light. They don't reflect radar. They don't burn. They just hunger. Right now, traveling at millions of miles per hour, through the void between stars, there are ghosts. Astronomers estimate there are over 100 million black holes wandering through our galaxy alone. Most are quiet, invisible. Statistically, it is only a matter of time before one of them passes through our neighborhood. We wouldn't see it coming. The first sign wouldn't be an explosion. It would be that the sky starts to look wrong. How does a monster become homeless? Usually, black holes are born when massive stars die. Sometimes the explosion is asymmetrical, a natal kick. The newborn black hole is blasted out of its cradle like a cannonball, doomed to wander the dark void forever. These are rogue black holes. They are the apex predators of the cosmos. They don't orbit a star. They answer to no one. Some are small, just a few times the mass of our sun. Others are ancient giants, but they all share one terrifying trait: invisibility. A black hole only glows if it's eating. If it's feeding on gas or a star, it shines like a beacon. But out in the empty void, it starves, it sleeps, it becomes a sphere of perfect darkness. It could be closer to us than the nearest star, and our best telescopes would just see empty space. So, how do you detect a ghost? You don't look at it. You look at what it touches. If a rogue black hole approached our solar system, the horror wouldn't start on Earth. It would start at the edge. The first warning would be the comets. The Oort cloud is a shell of icy debris surrounding us. As the invisible intruder passes by, its gravity would act like a bowling ball hitting a set of pins. We would see a sudden, inexplicable increase in comets. The sky would be full of them. At first, astronomers would be confused. Is it a statistical anomaly? Then they would notice the orbits. The outer planets, Neptune, Uranus, would start to wobble. They would deviate from their predicted paths by millions of miles. Something massive, something invisible would be tugging at them. The math would be terrifying. To pull Neptune that hard, the object would have to be heavier than the sun. But where is it? Panic would set in among the scientific community long before the public knew the truth. As it gets closer, the order of the solar system collapses. This is a game of cosmic billiards, and the black hole is the cue ball. It doesn't even need to hit the Earth directly to kill us. Its gravity could simply flick us. Scenario 1. Ejection. The black hole's gravity slingshots Earth out of the solar system. We are cast into the interstellar void. Within weeks, the sun becomes just another bright star. The global temperature plummets. The atmosphere rains down as liquid oxygen. We freeze in the eternal dark, drifting on a rogue planet. Scenario 2. The cook. It pushes us inward. We fall toward the sun. The oceans boil, the atmosphere ignites, and the earth is sterilized by the very star that used to give it life. But the worst fate is if it comes for us. If the rogue black hole passes directly near Earth, we would finally see it. A distortion in the heavens, an eye of darkness rimmed by the warped light of the galaxy. We would experience spaghettification. The gravity at your feet would be stronger than the gravity at your head. You, the buildings, the mountains, the very atmosphere, everything would be stretched into thin, long streams of atoms. There is no survival. The planet itself is unmade, crumbled into dust to feed the ghost. The light from the stars takes years to reach us. The gravity travels at the speed of light. The messenger of our destruction is already on its way, silent and invisible. And we are just sitting here, waiting for the sky to change. This is Cosmic Vertigo. If you want to face the unknown with me, subscribe. It helps a lot. We explore the darkness together.